In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Face ID on any iPhone. Whether you want to disable Face ID temporarily or permanently, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. To proceed, you'll need to enter your phone's passcode, so go ahead and do that. Next, scroll down and find Reset Face ID. Tap on it to continue. If you have stolen device protection enabled, you won't be able to turn off your Face ID just yet. Tap OK to go back, and then scroll down and look for stolen device protection. To turn off Face ID, you'll first need to disable stolen device protection. Once you tap to turn it off, you will see a security delay. This is normal. Just wait a couple of minutes, and once the delay is finished, you'll be able to proceed. Once the security delay is over, go back to Reset Face ID and tap on it to completely disable Face ID on your phone. And there you go. You've now successfully turned off Face ID on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.